Hello guys, so in this very video I'll be making a full video about how to get your entry and exit. I've been receiving lots and lots of comment in my comment section to make a video about how to enter the right way or how to enter correctly. And this very video I'll be breaking down this concept, and this concept will be like part 1, part 2, part 3 you get, and maybe something like a summary based on my system or based on the kind of setup I specialized on. So I want you to stick with me to the very end of this video as I'll be breaking down this concept, and also I want you to grab your pen and paper, so you start jotting down, and anything I'm teaching you here, you just have to go to your chart, go back test and front test it, then you can start applying it to know the accuracy and everything you need to know. So what I'm about to show you here is what has been working for me, and believe me, it's mind-blowing, So let's get into the main video of today. If you are new to this very channel, hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to this very channel. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel where I do drop free class for you guys to trade your personal account, profit account, and also no deposit bonuses account. And you can comment your thought below. Any video at all you want me to upload, just comment down below and I'll make it up to you. So in this, I will say part 1 of this entry series, I'll be showing you guys how to enter using my tops and bottoms strategy. Now this tops and bottom strategy enables me to do what? To catch trades at the turning point of the market, to catch reversal trades at the turning point of the market. So just stay with me here, but before I show you guys this entry, I just have to break down the strategy a little bit so you can get that understanding and know what I'm talking about here. So very quick, let's get to a whiteboard so I start breaking down this concept. So now what I mean by tops and bottom, this strategy allows me to catch reversal at the very turning point of the market. Now you all know that this market, it can be trending down and also it can be trending upward. But how will you know that this market is about to reverse? What's that sign for you to see to catch this market at that very reversal point? So this is what I'll be teaching you here in this particular video. And don't forget, at any point in time you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so YouTube will notify you whenever an awesome video that this is dropped. So with this strategy, let's say you have an uptrend like so, your high, your higher low, your higher highs, and then your higher low. Now what this strategy simply does is that once you have something like this, you just have to bring out your tool. I usually work with this tool. For those of you who are familiar with me or my system to know the way I trade, I usually work with this tool like so. I like keeping my stuff very simple, clean and neat. So I just have to draw my zone like so and wait for this market to do it, to come back and tap in this zone. Once this market come back and tap in this zone here, then I look for my entry around here to do what? To catch that reversal to the opposite direction. So this is my tops and bottom strategy, and this is very different with the way other people trade today, as you get. I know some of you guys might say this one is support and resistance, so many might say this one is supply and demand, but the way I trade my own is quite different from how a lot of people trade their own. And for downtrend scenario, the opposite is true. You just want to see what your low, your lower high, your lower low to the downside. Then maybe you have something like this when it's time for this market to reverse. So you just have something like this. So how can you catch this market here at the turning point? At the very turning point of this reversal is what I will be showing you here. How can you catch this market right here? It's what I'll be showing you in this particular video. So it's a very simple concept. You don't have to complicate things here. It's just very easy, and let's get into the main video. So I'll start breaking down this concept for you. So pay close attention. Nothing is free. Even for you to listen attentively, you must pay attention. Pay close attention to this particular video to really help you out. So I don't have to go far because I'm beginning to see my systems everywhere here in the chart. So let me just start here. So I just have to start here. As you can see, we have this push to the upside like so. We have this push to the upside like so, and around here we have this equal highs and we have this reversal to the downside. Now how can you catch this move, or what can make you catch this move? It's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Now for those of you who have watched our fake out strategy, I believe you'll be getting some concept here. I'll be explaining. For those of you who haven't watched that video, you just have to watch that video. You can see this. Just check our card. You can see the video there, or you can go through our channel. And you'll be able to find that video. So right here, You get, once price give me this high like so, I just have to draw my zone from here to here. You get, from here to here. Now, whenever I'm trading this strategy or any strategy at all, whenever I'm trading my strategy, I love seeing fake out. You get, and here we have this fake out to the upside to stop those retail traders out. And what happened? We have this push to the downside. So around here, if you notice, price came here. Price never got to this zone because somebody like me, I would have entered this trade. I want price to do what, to touch my zone. You get, and what you have to do, you just have to chill. Even if price reach this kind of level like so, if price didn't touch your zone, you don't have to take that trade. You get, and once price get to your zone, you don't have to jump in front of a moving train. You get, you don't have to jump in front of a moving train. You just have to chill. You get, just have to do what, chill and wait. You get, so all you have to do around here, price tap into this zone here, and this candle close as what? This candle close as a doji. Now, what is a doji candle? A doji candle simply signifies what? An indecision. You once you see a doji candle like so, this simply means these the buyers and the sellers, they are struggling, who will gain momentum. And at the end of the day, we have this bearish engulfing to the downside. You need to understand or know how to study candlestick. You need to understand the anatomy of candlestick. You get, so here we have doji, which simply means indecision. So the next candle will give you your confirmation. Let's say after this doji we have a bull candle like so, then I will know that okay, this trade here is what? It's a trend continuation to the upside. But right here after the doji candle, which is the indecision candle, we have this massive bearish candle to the downside. This simply means okay, at the end of the day, get the sellers have gained momentum in this particular market. Now you need to understand that I've mastered the 4-hour time frame so much that I don't even need to go to any other time frame for me to do my stuff. Get, on my 4-hour time frame, I can analyze my chart, get to take my trades on my 4-hour time frame. So I want you to do that too. You need to master a particular time frame. This doesn't mean if I want to take my trade in maybe a lower time frame, I can't. I can also do it, but I'm just very comfortable with the 4-hour time frame. So around here, your entry would have been here. You get, your entry would have been here. If you don't know about your candlestick, I would love you to go study about candlestick. You get, but maybe subsequently I will be making a video about candlestick anatomy. Yeah, so your entry would have been here. You get, no, I love being realistic. You get, your stop loss needs to be maybe somewhere around here. You get, at the top of this zone here. Now the right way would have been here at this week. You get, but this pair is very, very volatile. You get, so we just have to bring it at the top of that candle. You get, the momentum candle, so you can just bring it at the top of that momentum candle. And here we have our 1:2.59 bricks to reward TP smash. Okay, so this is how you would have banked almost 230 pips. You get, this is 230 pips on oil. So like this, you would have taken your trade here and just let this trade run. Boom, you get what? You get your TP smash. So around here again, we have this particular zone here. You get, where price pull back to this particular point here, and then we have this push to the downside. So this is what I want to see. Now once I have something like this, I just have to bring out my tool. Once I draw this zone like so, you get, I just have to do what? To wait for price to come back and tap this zone. Then you notice what? Immediately price came back, tapped this zone. We had what? We had this candle here, this shooting star candle here. And we all know that shooting star is what? Shooting star represents what? A sell candle. But before price approaches this zone, you need to study your candlestick. You get, from here now, you notice what? This market was moving with a very high momentum. You can see this strong and powerful candlestick here. You get, and also you can see this one too, this bullish momentum candle here. But when price starts approaching this zone, what happened? We start having smaller candlesticks. This is to tell you that the bulls are what? Are weak. You get, the bulls are getting weak. So all you have to see, just want to see what? Just want to see a candlestick confirmation to give you that sell entry or sell confirmation. So you just want to see something like this. And here we have what? We have that shooting star candlestick, where your entry would have been here at the close of the shooting star. You get, then your stop loss above the candlestick of the shooting star. You get, then your take profit 1:2, 1:3. But I would advise you to be very realistic. Then maybe your take profit would have been somewhere around here. You get, because this was the recent level here. And what happened? TP smash, almost 300 pips. You get 290 pips. So this is how you would have been able to do what? To catch this trade from the very turning point. You get, from the very turning point here. Okay, let's look for more example. You get, so around here again, you can see what we have this very. I personally took this trade somewhere around Okay, so first you can see what we have this zone here. Price came back to do what? To tap this zone. And as price tapped this zone, what happened? We have this candlestick confirmation. But notice, as price was getting to this zone, we have what? We have this bullish momentum candlestick here. You get. Now you need to study your candlestick. You get. Your candlestick is not just here to show you your chart or for you to see buyers and sellers. You need to study it. Know what each particular candlestick represents. You get. So here we have what? We have this bull candle here, and immediately price start approaching this zone. What happened? We start having smaller candlestick. And for the first time, we have what? This bear candle here, and subsequently we have this bull candle, and then this uh, tweezer top candlestick here. We all know that tweezer top is what? It's a reversal candlestick. You get. Tweezer top is a reversal candlestick to the opposite direction. So your entry would have been here. This is one of my favorite entry criteria using my tweezer tops and bottom. So your entry would have been just there. You get your stop loss above that zone like so, and then your take profit got smashed. You get. You can see your take profit smashed 230 pips. Easy peasy. You don't have to complicate things here. You get the concept. You don't have to complicate things. And now price came back here to approach this zone here. You get. Price came back to approach this zone for the second time. You get. I don't know if you notice, this is how I trade my tops and bottom. I only focus on fresh zones. You get fresh zones like what I'm showing you right here in my chart. You get the concept. So my system is basically different from what other people are doing. You get. So now if you look here now, when price was approaching this zone, we have what? This bulls candle. You get pumping to this particular zone. But immediately price gets to this zone, we start having some weaker candlestick patterns. You get. And here we have what? We have this fake out. You get. We have this first candlestick. It's very small. The second one very small, and then we have this other candlestick, this bearish engulfing candlestick that completely engulfed the two previous candlesticks. This simply means what? Sellers are in charge. Study your candlestick, superstars. This simply means sellers are in charge. So all you have to do, you just have to bring out your entry to, you get, take your trade at the close of this candle here. Your stop loss just above this zone. You get like so, and then your take profit maybe the next level here, which is where the next level should be here. You need to always be realistic. So here we have what? We have this level here, 370 pips. You get the concept. Easy peasy. This is how you cash what? This is how you cash your reversals. You get. You don't have to complicate things. You don't have to start bringing out so many indicators on your chart, Bollinger Bands, RSI, all those shit. They are lagging behind price. You need to study price action. You get, and give yourself profitable signal. You get. So this is how I usually catch my tops and bottoms. Sometimes I see my chart, I'm able to catch this trade at the very turning point of the market. You'll be wondering, what did you perceive? What was your entry confirmation? You get. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much. If you made it up to the very video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment your thought down below, guys. And maybe wait for our subsequent video where I'll be showing you more entry criteria based on our other systems. You get. So peace, and I'll catch you in a subsequent video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Link at the show down below, guys.